everybody, welcome back to another video. Today I am going to be showing you how to make this really cute, sweet baby headband. It is easy, it is simple, and the best part is one length of ribbon. So to get started, you are going to need one 10-inch long piece of 1.5-inch grosgrain. This is the shade Watermelon from Ribbon & Bows Oh My. You are also going to need coordinating 3/8-inch ribbon. You are going to need a nylon headband that coordinates with it. I just happened to get lucky where this one was an almost perfect match. You're going to need your needle and thread, scissors, a lighter, and I'm using 2 clips to help hold the sides together while I sew. And you're also going to need your trusty glue gun. So to get started, you're going to take the 10-inch piece of ribbon, fold it in half, bring both ends together just like that. We're going to fold them in half again, and you are going to V-cut the ends. Make sure they're even before you cut. So, sharpen my scissors. Then you are going to take your lighter. After you are satisfied with how your V's look, I just want to trim this one up a little bit more. Yep. Once you're satisfied, you are going to heat seal the cuts. And you're going to come around and heat seal the other side as well. Then take those V-cuts and bring them back up together. Find the center. And you're going to use your lighter to make a crease right there. That is going to be the center of your bow. As you can see, the lighter makes a very nice sharp crease. Now you're going to take one side and you're going to fold it like this and bring the back up. You're going to want it to look like that. However, you do not want this to overlap the crease like that one is, so I do have to make the loop a little bit bigger. There's going to be a lot of flipping back and forth to make sure that you have this right. You want it to look somewhat like that, where you have just a little bit on the other side of the crease. Looks good like that. And you're going to add a clip to hold this side into place. Now your loop should be about 1.5 inches. So from the crease to the end of this loop should be about 1.5 inches. And again, you're going to want to do the same thing. Now on the second side, you can match up the V-cuts, and that should give you an equal measurement for that. Again, make sure to flip over so that you're not over the crease too much. And then again, take your clip and clip to hold it. Now you have the ribbon like this. That is the back. This is the front. Make sure everything is straight. This one is off just a scotch. to take your needle and thread. You have to be very careful about your stitches here. You're going to want to go in, you're going to want to sew up this side, but you're going to want to make sure that you do catch the fold in the back, like that. And your stitch placement should give you your stitch placement should be like that, where you have, there we go, you can see right there, that's what you want it to look like. And you want to make sure that the needle is coming out through the front on the top. Pull your needle through. At this point, I take this clip off because it's secure and it's just going to get in your way. You're going to come across and you're going to want to make sure that your stitches are even coming down this side. So be very careful to match up your stitches. This may take you a little bit of time when you first start with this, but once you get the hang of it, it's easier to match up your stitches. But they have to absolutely be matched up, because the next part is not going to work out very well if they are not matched up. All right, so you have stitches running up both sides. I pull out the knot just a little bit. This is the easiest and least amount of sewing possible for this type of bow. And then you're going to take both ends of the thread and pull. And this is why it was very important that your stitches matched up so that your creases are even. And then what I do is I just tie off right here. This means all the stitches that you have to do are just the ones you've done to get the bow like that. Tie off, pull tight. Oop. Pull the bow with me. And then we are going to trim off the excess. Get my needle and thread out of the way. If you have a little bit of thread left over like I do, I just take my lighter and burn it away. So now you're left with a bow like this. You can put it on a clip and wrap the center with ribbon, but we are going to put it on a baby headband because I am obsessed with these baby headbands as of late. I just made up a ton for my store. So, new spool of thread, have to heat till the end. Now you're going to take your glue gun, just add, oops, there's a little bit more glue than I wanted, but it'll be fine. Just add a dab of glue to the back seam and lay your nylon headband down. You're going to press down and make sure that it fully adheres. Just give it a good press down. And then you're going to take your coordinating ribbon, add a line of glue to the center, place it along the back. Again, hold down tight for just a minute, press down, make sure it's firmly secure, and you're going to wrap it around to the center, and you're also going to pull tight just to give it that nice cinched in tight center. And then finish it off with a little bit of glue. And there you go. Cut off the excess. Heat seal, and there you go. You have made this adorable, sweet, very easy one-piece baby headband. Thank you guys for watching. My next couple of videos are going to be on some more easy, simple hair bows. So if you like this sort of video, please make sure to subscribe. The subscribe button is somewhere down here. Make sure to click the like button. When you subscribe, make sure to click the bell button. Set your notifications to all so you are notified every time I upload a new video. If you have any requests for videos or questions or comments, please leave those in the comment section below. Check the description box for all relevant links for supplies that I use. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you on the next video. Thank you.